Hey Plums, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to this channel. If you're an old subscriber, you're welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to place frontal before you start wigging. Okay, so first thing you have to do is just to put on your wig cap. Then this is the frontal I'll be working with. I have to part it into two sides, like two equal parts to get the middle. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to be pinning it down to the wig cap using this pin. I don't have T-pin, so I'm using this office like pin. So this is me trying to find the middle part of the frontal to place it on the wig cap. Pin the front part first, then I'm going towards the back, still maintaining the center part position. I'll also pin the back part, and that's what I'm going to do to the two sides, making sure the back is well laid and it's flat too. So this is what it should look like when you are done. And if you guys notice, before I place the front part, I moved it an inch forward before I placed the pin. Okay, so that's what you're going to do to be able to get this exert and seamless, not bumpy frontal. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after sewing. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.